In this video, I'll show you how to join the Telegram Dogs and Cats Airdrop and earn free cryptocurrency. Welcome to my tutorial on the Telegram Dogs and Cats Airdrop. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to participate and claim your free crypto. This airdrop is a simple way to start earning cryptocurrency without any investment. Let's get started. First, let's start with the Dogs Airdrop. Download and install the Telegram. Wait, let's skip this part because there's no need to explain how to download Telegram and how to go through the sign-up process.
A few moments later.
Use the link in the description to find the official Dogs Airdrop bot. Click on the bot and press the Start button to begin the airdrop process. The bot will check your Telegram account's age and reward you with dog tokens based on how long you've had your account. Now that you've completed the initial steps, here's what happens next. Once the bot has verified your account age, it will display the number of dog tokens you've earned. You'll see a message confirming the tokens have been added to your account. These dog tokens are currently in the pre-market phase, meaning they aren't fully available for trading yet. However, they have been listed on xt.com and will soon be launching on multiple exchanges. Once they are fully launched, you'll be able to trade your dog tokens. This means you can sell them for other cryptocurrencies or convert them to cash. To do this, keep an eye on announcements for when trading becomes available. Next, let's move on to the Cats Airdrop. The process for claiming Cats tokens is similar, and here's what you need to know. The Cats bot will also check your account age and award Cats tokens based on how long you've had your Telegram account. After verification, you'll receive a confirmation message showing the number of Cats tokens added to your account. Cats tokens are currently in the pre-market stage, just like the Dogs token. They will soon be available for trading on various exchanges, allowing you to sell or swap them. Keep an eye on announcements for trading availability and consider joining the Cats Telegram community for updates. So, that's it. You've successfully joined the Telegram Dogs and Cats Airdrop and are on your way to earning free crypto. Remember to check back for updates from the bots and the official Dogs and Cats channels. Use the links in the description to find the airdrop bots. If you found this tutorial helpful, share it with your friends so they can join the airdrop too. Thanks for watching and happy earning.